In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and manage files in Shopify. We'll walk through everything inside your Shopify admin, so you can confidently add new files and keep your existing ones organized and up to date. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the section labeled Content. Click on Content and you'll see more options appear underneath it. From those options, click on Files. This will open the main files page, where you can see a list of all the files currently stored in your Shopify account. These might include images, videos, documents, or other assets you use across your store. To upload a new file, look at the top right corner of the files list. Click the button that says Upload Files. A window will pop up from your computer showing your folders and documents. Navigate to the file you want to add, click on it to select it, and then click Open in the bottom right corner of that window. Shopify will begin uploading the file. Depending on the file size and your internet connection, this may take a few moments. Once the upload is complete, the new file will appear in your files list, ready to be used anywhere in your store. Now let's manage your files. If you have a lot of files, finding the right one quickly is important. At the top right of the files page, click on the search icon. A search box will appear. Here, you can type the name of the file you're looking for. Just enter part or all of the file name, and Shopify will narrow down the list for you. Right below the search box, you'll also see filtering options to refine your results. You can filter by file size by entering a minimum and maximum size in megabytes. You can filter by file type by checking boxes such as images, videos, or external videos. There's also a used in filter, which lets you search based on where a file is used in your store, like specific products or pages. Using these filters together helps you quickly locate exactly what you need. Once you've found the file or files you want to work with, select them by clicking the empty checkbox to the left of each file. If you want to select all the files currently shown in the list, click the checkbox at the very top left of the table. With one or more files selected, you'll see a delete option appear above the list. If you want to remove those files from your store, click Delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to confirm that you really want to delete the selected files. This is a good moment to double-check that you're not removing something that's still in use on your store. If you're sure, click Delete in the bottom right corner of the pop-up. The files will be permanently removed from your files list, and they'll no longer be available for use in your store. If instead of deleting a file you want to replace it with a new version, you can do that directly from the list. Move your cursor over the file you want to update. When you hover over it, a replace icon will appear on the right side of that row. Click this replace icon. Again, a file browser window will open from your computer. Navigate to the new file you want to use as the replacement, select it, and click Open in the bottom right corner. Shopify will upload this new file and use it in place of the old one. After a short upload time, the updated file will be active wherever that original file was used. And that's it. You've learned how to upload new files, search and filter your existing files, delete files you no longer need, and replace old assets with updated versions, all within the Shopify admin.